Y'all have everything set up that you need? Okay. Well, I'm Jason Shaw, Chief of Police. Here's the Elizabethton Police Department. Good afternoon. Yesterday morning at 3:15 a.m., officers with the Elizabethton Police Department were dispatched to 220 West I Street in reference to a shooting. Officers arrived on scene at 3:17 a.m. and found a male subject who was later identified as Francisco Borquez, age 29, lying next to the vehicle with an apparent gunshot wound. Immediately on officers' arrival, a resident of the home, Chasen Julian, age 32, made contact with officers and identified himself as the one that fired the shot. In addition to Chasen Julian, his girlfriend Amber Woods, age 31, and Jade Gwynn, age 29, the mother of Borquez's one-year-old child, were all in the home at the time of the altercation. Members of the Elizabethton Police Department's Criminal Investigation Division, as well as an agent with the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, responded to the scene to continue the investigation. What we have gathered and confirmed at this point is that prior to the shooting, Francisco Borquez had come to the address to speak with Jade Gwynn. Once at the residence, a physical altercation began between Francisco and Julian inside the residence. During the altercation, Julian stated he felt that his life was threatened and shot one round at Francisco with a handgun. Immediately following the shot, Francisco exited the residence where he collapsed. Within minutes, Francisco was transported to a local hospital by EMS where he died. Preliminary autopsy results show that the bullet struck Francisco in the chest. Further autopsy results are pending. After reviewing the results of the investigation so far, and in consultation with the District Attorney's Office, this appears to be a justifiable shooting and no charges are being sought at this time against Julian. However, the investigation is ongoing and the final decisions on criminal charges have not been made. All parties involved in the situation have suffered a traumatic and stressful event. My thoughts, prayers, and condolences go out to those involved, and I appreciate the quick response and the great work of the Carter County Rescue Squad and the officers and investigators that responded to the incident. I have a copy of this. For y'all. I'm sure you may have a couple questions, but I really...
Can you please spell the victim's name as well as the suspect's name?
Yes. Can I just give you
sure.
what I give you my notes?
Okay. Can you elaborate on how the victim and the suspect knew each other?
I really don't have all that information. I know that the father of Borquez's child was at the residence, so there was some. But they knew each other somehow, but I really don't know how.
Was anyone else hurt in the incident?
There was some. There were some injuries to the other party, Julian, but they did not require any medical attention.
So the suspected shooter had minor injuries?
Yes.
Okay. And of course you guys asked the TBI to assist in this investigation.
We did.
Is that common practice for EPD in a fatal shooting?
It was. We just felt that the TBI is there as a resource for us, and we wanted to take advantage of that resource for them to be able to assist us.
Do you have any idea if Julian has had any run-ins with the law in the past?
That I don't know.
And do you know if he owned the gun that was used in the shooting?
I don't know that either.
And again, you said they knew each other, but you're not exactly sure.
I'm not sure how that is. I'm sorry. I really don't know that there's much more that really got everything down that we can confirm and that's relevant at this time.
Do you have the time of death?
I do not, John. If that's it, I will let y'all pack up.
Anything else that we
Pack
should
up
know,
everything.
Chief? Anything else that we should know about the investigation?
Just that it is, investigation continues. We understand that we've got statements from, we understand and we've got statements from the parties involved, but, the autopsy results will be the important part of the process for the deceased statement. Those autopsy results will make his statement for it.
And after consulting with the DA, would you guys consider this a stand your ground defense situation?
What now?
Stand your ground? Involving someone using self-defense to shoot someone else or kill someone else?
Well, I mean, that again, we've got on here that it appears that the shooting's justified. Like I said, the investigation is not complete yet.